Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2015 Chevy Equinox LS all-wheel drive, stock number Z7159X. Only 26,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power height adjuster, as well as lumbar, tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials. And under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7159X to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.